Made in China mainly provides e-commerce services for Chinese products globally, and it is also one of the most famous B2B e-commerce websites in the world. Besides that, Made in China also provides online wholesale. All suppliers are verified, which means that all are real people by madeinchina.com. The reputation of Made in China is not as big as that of Alibaba. Made in China has over tens of thousands of suppliers. There are a lot of products, and I believe that you can find the one you want to wholesale at. Made in China website language. Made in China supports 16 languages, which are English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Russian, Italian, German, Dutch, Arabic, Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, Turkish, Hindi, Thai. Made in China business type. There are two business types on Made in China, which is the manufacturer or factory and trading company. Made in China minimum order. The minimum order quantity is determined by the product and the value of the goods. If the value of a product is high, there usually be no minimum order quantity for that product. An example of this product is a large piece of machine. On the other hand, if the value of your product is very low, such as 10 cents per unit, the minimum order quantity may be 10,000 pieces or more. Made in China payment methods. Made in China payment terms: L, C, T, T, D, P, Western Union, PayPal, MoneyGram. I suggest that you pay 30% in advance and balance before shipment or against the bill of landing. Made in China sample. You can contact the supplier and purchase samples on the website. I suggest you buy more samples, or buy the same products from different suppliers so that you can compare the quality of the product between these suppliers. Made in China shipping methods. Suppliers can offer three main modes of transportation, which is by sea, air, and express. You can choose the shipping method according to your product and the weight of your goods. It is highly recommended that you buy the insurance for your shipment. We are a freight forwarder in China. If you need to purchase goods in large quantities, then we can help you transport the goods, and the freight and timeliness will be very good, especially if you need to source goods from different suppliers. If shipped separately, the freight will be very high. We can help you collect them and ship them together. You can ask your supplier to send the goods to our warehouse through the warehouse address we provide. If it is a shipping container, we can also pick up the goods directly from the factory. Made in China contact methods. There are two ways of communication with the suppliers on madeinchina.com, which are via sending an inquiry online and chat online via the trade messenger. The main contact way is still via email. Made in China customization. The suppliers of Made in China offer product customization services, and you can submit your customization requirements online. The supplier generally responds to you within 24 hours after receiving your inquiry. For custom products, there will generally be a minimum order quantity. If the supplier asks for a large number, we can talk to them and try to renegotiate to reduce the minimum order quantity. Made in China dropshipping. If you want to begin global sources dropshipping business, yes, this is a feasible idea. Sourcing products from Chinese manufacturers for the rest of the world. We plan contracts and negotiate prices with reliable suppliers or manufacturers on behalf of our clients with no hidden charges. You'll get free consultation until you decide on the supplier. You can get any product directly from the manufacturers through XCJD Logistic. Our expert team ensures you get the best product quality, price, raw materials, and design. We find the Chinese factories, get the lowest price possible, coordinate and follow up on the production, and ship the products. We dropship using different local and international shipping options to ensure your clients get their orders at their doorsteps. Begin your dropshipping today.